Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with a piece of wood, which some of you will recall I hand planed many years ago. And I put some finish on it to see how it ages. So, this is tiger maple, also known as curly maple, also known as figured maple. On this side, I have an oil-based finish. You see, it's got that nice honey color or maple color. This side was finished with clear lacquer. And it has retained almost its natural white color. So I thought it would be fun today to simply plane the edge grain with my Stanley 5.5 and talk just a little bit about planing curly or highly figured woods. Now, the whole concept of, well, understanding how we end up with, see if I can get it in the camera, how we end up with curly grained woods is it's a wild grain pattern. So the wood fibers go in and out, okay, all along, giving you that tiger stripe effect. So it can offer some challenges when planing. Now with this surface, I planed in this direction. And on this surface, I planed in this direction for the most part. Not sure what exactly happened up here with this gnarly section. But for the edge grain, if I look at the surface, it looks like it wants to plane mostly in this direction. So what we're going to do is plane in the opposite direction to show you that a properly set up plane can plane figured woods in any direction. Okay? There's a full length shaving, full width. Yes, it's just edge grain, but that's against the grain. So what happens if we turn it around and go the other way? First cut's going to be a little odd because we changed planing, but you're getting a little different cut because you're now going into and out of these little bumps, but the surface on this is so much smoother. Okay? See that? That's under 1/1000th of an inch. So, remember the rules when planing figured woods. Super sharp blade, finely set chip breaker, and a tight mouth. And hopefully the plane that you're using will have a reasonably flat sole and you don't have to worry about tear out. So that's about it on this one. Hope you found something useful. Head out to your shop, go make some shavings, but not before you like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.